Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen password to Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. So in case you don't have time, or maybe simply can't tell which password could it be, to try to simply guess, or maybe take your time to recall the password used the last time when you successfully accessed your device, the best decision would be to first reach out to Xiaomi customer support service and tell them about this issue, especially if you have some private or sensitive data on your smartphone. In such case, if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most probably be able to help you out resolving your issue without removing any data from your smartphone, which is, I consider it personally, the best resolution to this problem. Now, in case this option isn't available for you, for example, maybe you bought this smartphone secondhand, in such case, you can still regain access to your device. Moreover, you can do this yourself, but in order to regain access to your smartphone, you're going to have to perform a factory reset operation on it. And in order to perform a factory reset operation, you can either use remote services like Google Find Hub, or you can do this using recovery mode on your smartphone. Now, if you want to perform a factory reset using recovery mode on your smartphone, we have a separate video on our channel that will guide you through the factory reset through recovery mode process, and will show you everything step by step on how to perform factory reset operation locally. However, be aware that performing this operation on your smartphone will result in erasing all data from it. So you will have to set up your device as a new smartphone after you do that. Now, if you want to perform the factory reset operation remotely, what you're going to have to do is grab any other device with internet access that you can reach and can use, and open the web browser on your other device, and then sign into your Google account. Sign into your Google account on the Google Find Hub website. So open Find Hub website, sign into to this website using your Google account, the one that is linked with your smartphone. Then select your smartphone from the list. In this case, it should be a Redmi Note 15 Pro, and then we're gonna have to perform factory reset by selecting factory reset device. And once the factory reset operation is performed, you'll be able to reset your device, set up your device as a new smartphone. Now, these are all the options that you have, except for the one if you do remember your device's password, but you cannot unlock your phone with it. You can try to do the same thing in the safe mode. Now, unlocking your device in the safe mode will is basically different, because in safe mode there are no third-party applications running in the background, or no background activities at all that could be causing your lock screen to behave differently, and there are no background activities that may cause your device to lag, and therefore this could be used as a last resort, or in case you really do remember the password to your device. So in order to enter the safe mode, you're gonna have to short press power button and volume up key. Once you see the power off menu on your screen, swipe the circle up to power off, and then let your device turn off. Once it switches off, short press the power button to see the Xiaomi logo on your screen, and once you see the Xiaomi logo, wait for about 3 to 5 seconds, and after that, start holding down the volume down button and keep holding it until your phone vibrates slightly. So let me show you what I mean. Hold down the power button first, and once the logo appears on your screen, stop pressing the power button. Then wait for a couple of seconds, and after a couple of seconds, start holding down the volume down button, and then wait until the screen of your device switches to the next one, and then your device will slightly vibrate. That's when you can release the volume down button. Okay. And after releasing the volume down button, just let your device boot into the safe mode. In the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. And now we can try to unlock our device using the password that we know. So let's enter the password, then press enter. And in case you succeed entering your device, before trying to figure out what kind of application could have caused this kind of issue, let's first reset the password by going to settings, selecting fingerprints, face data, and screen lock, selecting screen lock, then enter your password once again, tap next, and then select turn off screen lock. Okay, and after that, you can restart your phone normally by short pressing power button and volume up key and swiping down to reboot option in order to return to the normal mode. And so that's it. I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.